Hi, my name is Cindy O'Neill and I'm the Executive Director of the Inverness Cottage Workshop.
And I'm Jim Mustard, founder of the Inverness Early Years Cooperative.
Jim and I have a really exciting project to tell you about.
But first, we'd like to tell you a little bit about our two organizations.
The Cottage Workshop is a wonderful place that welcomes all kinds of people of different abilities and who helps them along the road of reaching their fullest potential. A great place to work.
The Cottage Workshop is awesome. You can get all the delicious food you want. Oh, and also there's awesome people around.
Cottage Workshop, we have fun, healthy foods here to make and everything.
Cottage Workshop is a safe haven, and I'm glad I make friends here, and I crack everybody up.
The Cottage Workshop supports adults who have intellectual disabilities in the development of daily living, social, and vocational skills. Instructors work one-on-one with clients in social enterprises, including a bakery, a used clothing store, and several others. The current Cottage Workshop building has been a good home for us for a long time, but the space just isn't enough anymore. We need more room for programming, a more central location, better accessibility, and a space that is purpose-built to meet the evolving needs of our community. And because we believe in the power of collaboration, we've partnered with Jim and the Inverness Early Years Cooperative.
The Early Years Centre is so important to our community because it will build upon what we currently offer here in Inverness, providing a much needed childcare component, but also provide ongoing support to children and families.
Children are the most precious resource in our community. The Early Years Centre will offer a space for their development.
The Early Years rocks.
The Inverness Early Years Cooperative was founded in response to the needs of families and young children in our region. Now we're working together to establish a centre to support young families in a full range of parental support services from the prenatal period onwards, including regulated childcare and a universally accessible drop-in centre. Through community dialogue, we discovered that we share many values with the Cottage Workshop. And when we found ourselves searching for a new location, a great partnership emerged.
And now we're creating a wonderful shared space for our two organizations. In 2013, we purchased a historic building in central Inverness. It comes with ample land, a beautiful view of the ocean, and great visibility from Main Street. This building will become our shared home, with the Cottage Workshop on the upper level and the Early Years Co-op on the lower level. Together, we will be the Inverness Community Leadership Centre, or ICLC.
The ICLC will be a one-stop shop for adults with intellectual disabilities and families with young children. In addition to expanding existing enterprises, the Cottage Workshop will also be opening a business centre and cafe at the new location. On the lower level, the Early Years Co-op will offer a full range of support services for families with young children.
It's a very exciting time in Inverness. With real estate at a premium, new investments on Main Street, and increasing enrollment sizes in the school, there's no doubt that we're in a time of renewal.
As our community expands, we know that non-profit organizations have an important role to play. There are already more than 30 non-profits in Inverness, providing a vast array of services for our community.
We believe that improved communication and cooperation between non-profits will make us all more effective and contribute to the overall health and prosperity of Inverness.
And in order to become better organized, we need better facilitated community spaces. We need places for quiet, comfortable meetings, places for workshops and focus groups, and places for large gatherings and for community celebrations.
And the ICLC will meet this need. It will have ample meeting and event space, on-site catering, and an open and inviting atmosphere. It will be a community hub where individuals and organizations can meet, plan, organize, and unify visions for a healthy and prosperous Inverness.
The Inverness Community Leadership Centre will strengthen the foundation of Inverness. It is bringing one of our historic buildings back to life in a commitment to support the volunteer sector in our region. It is about a rural community being self-supporting and working together towards our shared goals.
To make all of these dreams a reality, we are undertaking a major renovation. The first phase of this project is an investment of $2.1 million.
With your support, the Inverness Community Leadership Centre will be an incredible resource for Inverness and an example for other rural communities. We're in the final stages of fundraising before we break ground. Your support will bring us to the finish line.